Hi, are you finding how to add sections on your YouTube channel? This tutorial only for you. So keep watching this tutorial till the end. For that, log into your YouTube account first and go to the right side corner and click the channel icon and select the third option, YouTube Studio. And go to the customization tab here. This is the layout page. You see here add section. Click the add section here, then you get lot of options for section. I am adding the popular section and multiple playlists and past live stream. You can add your playlist or videos or some channels like your subscribed channels or your featured channels as a section. This option is very helpful to showcase our homepage. If you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel now, because a lot of earning and more useful contents are coming soon. And share this video to new YouTubers to help them, and comment below what are the topics actually you want, because without your interaction I am unable to know what you want. So please comment below what are the topics actually you want.